Being out here in the Montana wilderness, we're out here for 5 days and trying to go as minimalistic as we could, but also make sure that we have the essentials. So we brought all of our gear out here to really put them through their paces and test.
So Rewild Gear was founded by 4 brothers. We grew up in Kentucky, loving the outdoors, always going over different gear that we liked, didn't like, things we'd like to improve on.
And so part of it, just with creating our own gear, we wanted to scratch our own itch and make something that we would be proud to carry and that we could use for years to come and not have to go through multiple different pieces of equipment. So we looked at all the different products on the market and decided, how can we improve upon what's already there? How can we differentiate it? How can we make them better? Whether that's hunting or backpacking or hiking or bushcrafting or fishing or what have you.
For me, anytime I can get outdoors, I just really get realigned with what's important to me. Getting to spend, 5 days out in the wilderness, living out of your backpack, pushing the needle on these hikes sometimes, and it's just incredible.
When you're outdoors, you kind of get a new perspective about just life in general, and the important things that matter.
When you're in country like this, mentally you just have to be ready for anything. Being able to adapt is really crucial for this. And then also just having your gear dialed in.
So Rewild, basically taking yourself back to nature, getting back outdoors, regrounding yourself.
We were made for adventure. As humans, our soul comes alive when we're in the wilderness, when we're exploring, when we're getting off the beaten path and taking the road less traveled. We also want to give back. We have a conservation mission. We want to protect our natural spaces.
We've been given this great, beautiful country, and we feel a strong sense of responsibility to help keep it beautiful.
We're aligning ourselves with organizations like 2% for Conservation, who are doing their very best to certify organizations that are giving back and helping to improve the landscape. And then the biggest part of the mission for Rewild is to rewild ourselves, to get people back into nature.
To really rewild our own spirit and, just get back in touch with our adventurous side.
We are Rewild Gear.
Adventure made.